Let's look at question 11 to 20 of the 2021 JAMB Chemistry examination questions. Question 11 says, during the titration experiment, 0.05 moles of carbon 4 oxide is liberated. What is the volume of gas liberated? Take the molar volume of gas at STP to be equal to 22.4 dm cube. A, 22.40 dm cube. B, 11.20 dm cube. C, 2.24 dm cube. D, 1.12 dm cube. So how do we solve this question here? For question 11, for question number 11, you want to note that volume, right? Volume is equal to N, number of moles, times the molar volume of gas, times molar volume of a gas at STP. All right, so this is equal to N represents the number of moles. If I come to the question here, you can see that they give us 0.05. That's the number of moles. So N is 0.05 multiplied by molar volume of a gas at STP, 22.4. So times 22.4. Multiply this. 0.05 times 22.4. The answer here is 1.12. The volume is in dm cube. So I have my answer as 1.12 dm cube. The correct answer here is option D. All right, question 12. 12 says the impurities formed during the laboratory preparation of chlorine gas are removed by A, water, B, ammonia, C, hydrogen tetraoxosulfate 6, D, hydrochloric acid. Now, what to note here is that when preparing chlorine in the lab, example, if you use manganese 4 oxide, that's this, plus combine this with hydrochloric acid, in the preparation of chlorine, you will get moisture or water vapor as an impurity. Now, concentrated hydrogen tetraoxosulfate 6 acid is used as a drying agent to remove the moisture. So what we use there is H2SO4, all right? It is used as a dehydrating agent or a drying agent in order to remove the moisture or the water vapor that is considered an impurity. That's the correct answer to this question. Next up, question 13. 13 says the minimum amount of energy required for a reaction to take place is, we've answered this in our previous video. The option A says activation energy, B says kinetic energy, C says lattice energy, D says ionization energy. The correct answer to this question there is A, activation energy. All right, the activation energy is the minimum amount of energy required for a reaction to take place. That's your correct answer. All right, question 14. The decolorization of the purple color of tetraoxomanganate 6 ion is a test for A, alkanals, B, alkanes, C, alkenes, D, alkanols. The correct answer here is C, alkenes. All right, note that tetraoxomanganate 6 ion, which is KMNO4, this is also called permanganate, is decolorized by unsaturated double bonds because it oxidizes alkenes readily. And this is also used as a test for the permanganate, also called tetraoxomanganate 6 ion. And what happens is that when you use this, when you combine this with alkenes will decolorize it. So the answer there is alkenes. All right. Next up, question 15. Which of the following halogens is the most reactive? A, chlorine, B, iodine, C, bromine, D, fluorine. For this question there, the correct answer there is D, fluorine. So you want to note that for the halogens, that reactivity decreases down the group. So for the listed elements here, the In order of decreasing reactivity, we'll have that fluorine is the most reactive, greater than or followed by chlorine. After chlorine, the next one you have there is bromine, and after bromine, you have iodine. So, of all listed here, the most reactive is fluorine, while the least reactive is iodine. All right. So, take note of this. Next up, question 16. 16 says, which of the following is a hygroscopic substance? A. Sodium trioxynitrate. B. Magnesium chloride. C. Iron 3 chloride. D. Calcium chloride. Now, the first thing we want to note here is the meaning of hygroscopic substance. A hygroscopic substance is simply a substance in which, when exposed to air, it forms moisture. Now, for this question, you want to note that many chlorides are hygroscopic or deliquescent. Calcium chloride is widely used as a drying agent, all right, because it absorbs moisture strongly. So if you say which of the following is a hygroscopic, technically B, C, D having chlorine are all hygroscopic substances, but the most hygroscopic of them all is calcium chloride, that's CaCl2. That's your answer. I think for this question, it should rather be which of the following is not a hygroscopic, all right? I think there should be a not. And if there's a not here, then the answer would be this NaNO3. Because as I said earlier, chlorine compounds, all right, that's many chloride, that's MgCl2, FeCl, and then CaCl2. They are all hygroscopic substances. So you want to take note of this. But for this, we'll pick up D because this is literally one of the most hygroscopic substance. So the answer there is calcium chloride. 17 says ethine is passed through a hot tube containing organonickel catalyst to produce A. Isoprene, B. Polythene, C. Ethanol, D. Benzene. So what is the correct answer to this question? For question number 17, the correct answer there is D. Benzene. All right. So for this question, you want to note that under suitable conditions, ethine trimerizes to form benzene. And by that I mean 3 moles of ethine, C2H2, all right, under heat would form benzene, that's C6H6. This is what is called trimerizes, all right, means 3 moles of it to give you benzene. So that's it. Right, so the correct answer is D, benzene. Question number 18. The difference between colloids and suspension is brought out clearly by the fact that while colloids A do not scatter light, suspensions do. B can be separated by filtration, suspension cannot be separated. C can be separated by membrane, suspensions cannot. D do not settle out on standing, suspensions do. What is the correct answer to this question? Now, for this question, you want to note that colloids remain dispersed and do not settle on standing, whereas suspension do settle out on standing. So the correct option here is D. All right. Colloids do not settle out on standing, meanwhile suspensions do. So that's your correct answer. Question number 19. What is the percentage of sulfur in sulfur oxide? All right, how do we solve that? We want to find, that's 19. We want to find the percentage of sulfur in SO2, sulfur oxide. Now, how do you find this? The first thing you want to do is to get the molar mass of sulfur oxide. For sulfur, the molar mass there, for sulfur, the atomic mass is 32. This plus, for oxygen, the atomic mass is 16. So it becomes 16 times the number of atoms. You have 2 atoms of oxygen. So times 2. If I work on this, this becomes 32 plus 16 times 2 gives you 32. That becomes plus 32. And that becomes 64 gram per mole. So you have 64 gram per mole. Now from this, to get the percentage composition of sulfur, is simply, so have percentage position of sulfur is simply equal to the mass of sulfur, spell this correctly, mass of sulfur all over molar mass of SO2 times, that's SO2, yep, times 100%. So this is equal to the mass of sulfur, or the atomic mass of sulfur as we know it is 32. That becomes 32 all over the molar mass of the compound of SO2. Molar mass is 64 all over 64 times 100%. If you work on this will give you 0.5. So 0.5 times 100%, that is 32 over 64 gives you 0.5. 0.5 times 100 gives you 50. So that means the percentage composition of sulfur in sulfur oxide is 50%. All right, so let's see what we have here. So the answer there, correct answer is D, 50%. Question 20. The number of hydroxonium ions produced by one molecule of an acid in aqueous solution is its A. Basicity, B. Acid strength, C. pH, D. Concentration. Now for this question, you want to note that there is something called basicity, all right? And by definition, basicity is simply the amount of replaceable hydrogen ion or hydroxonium ion present in a compound which is acidic. So in this particular question here, the correct answer there is basicity. All right, so as usual, I'll leave out one question for you to answer. So as usual, I'll leave out one question for you to try, and that's question 21. Question 21 here says a few drops of concentrated hydrogen trioxynitrate acid is added to an unknown solution and boiled for a while. If this produces a brown solution, the cation ion present is likely to be A. Lead 2 ion, B. Copper 2 ion, C. Iron 3 ion, B. Iron 2 ion. So what is the correct answer to this question? Leave your answer in the comment section and I will tell you if you're correct or not. Okay? Okay, guys, so please take note that we have a JAMB WhatsApp group for 2026 JAMB Bites. All right. So if you're writing JAMB for 2026, we have a JAMB WhatsApp group where we do daily revisions on physics, chemistry, mathematics, and biology. So if you're a science student and you want to join our JAMB WhatsApp group, I'll leave a link to the JAMB WhatsApp group in the video description. All right. You can also join our JAMB channel membership to get access to exclusive content for JAMB Bites, or you can get the full JAMB course on our website. Simply visit www.journalimmanu.com/courses and you see the JAMB/WAEC classes. All right. Okay, guys. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button. All right. Like this video. Also leave a comment. Right, for the comments, I gave you a task, question number 11. Solve it, leave your answer in the comment section, and I'll tell you if you're correct or not. Don't forget to also subscribe. If it's your first time here or you're yet to subscribe, please do what to subscribe, hit the bell icon, and select all so that you get notified whenever we upload a new content. Then finally, ensure to share this video to your friends and their colleagues so that they can also learn. Thank you and see you in our next class.